Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether Zable offers any reward or cashback incentives or not. So Zable primarily focuses on providing a platform for peer-to-peer payment and money transfer, similar to other payment apps. However, many payment apps offer reward or cashback incentives as part of the service to attract the retain users. In order to find out whether Zable offers any reward or cashback incentive, you could check the app's description on the App Store or on the Play Store, or else you could visit their website. Additionally, you can explore the app's feature and setting within the app itself to see if there are any mentioned reward program, loyalty points, or cashback offers or not. If the Zable does not offer reward or cashback incentive, they may vary depend on the factors such as your location, users pattern, and any promotions or partnership that app has to offer with the business. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.